Hello, this is Richard C. Wilson, founder of the Family Office Club and Billionaire Advisors, coming to you from downtown Singapore. Just finishing up my lunch break for Private Investor Advantage, a workshop for family offices and how to start a family office that I'm hosting here. And I just wanted to emphasize the importance of a grit factor with investing, building trust with investors, working with family offices. You can have all the integrity in the world and an excellent team, but if you don't see things through, it doesn't mean anything. You can be passionate, have great skills, and have great intellectual property, but if you can't make it through the challenges and really stick to your strategy and stick to your game plan through the ups and downs, again, nothing will come of it. And I think that since the whole investment and investor space is focused on trust and getting high conviction on not only the strategy, but who's executing the strategy, grit is a really central factor to all of that. I had a business partner pass away almost 2 years ago now, and when he spoke in front of our room at the Harvard Club, he gave me a big compliment, something I didn't realize in myself, that I had a grit factor when it came to growing our family office club over the last decade, the last 12 years in the family office space, and it's something I've really remembered and kept close since then. I think a lot of people in our space don't talk about it. You hear self-improvement books or books about personal development talk about this, but not other types of books and other types of resources. And so I just want to bring it up because I think family offices appreciate it, they recognize it, they're entrepreneurial, and they want to work with people who not only have integrity, but have grit to see things through. Otherwise, they're completely wasting your time or their time conducting due diligence on your firm, and they only want to work with people who are going to be successful long term. So I hope you found this short video helpful, whether you're in a family office, private investor, or an investment firm. This is Richard Wilson. To check out our events, please see familyoffices.com. If you want to see how I put together family office solutions, please go to centamillionaires.com. Thank you.